Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and just open. Over here, select while using the app, tap on Allow and choose Home button. Then you need to click on iOS Launcher, tap on Remember My Choice, choose iOS Launcher again and tap on Got It. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Xiaomi. But you can always go into Device Settings, scroll down and choose Apps. Over here, click on Manage Apps and go into this menu by tapping at those three dots at the top right corner. Over here, select Default Apps, choose Launcher, and if you wish to go back into your default one, tap on System Launcher, then choose Home button. As you can see, now Android one is applied. You can always switch between them by tapping on iOS and going with Home button again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!